To start an advertising campaign, the account needs to be funded. Top-up starts at $10, and there are many convenient ways to fund your account, including bank cards. We will fund the balance with $100 for now. It takes up to 48 hours to start the advertising campaigns, and attracted customers begin to buy goods. All the purchases are first listed under the Sales tab with a pending status. Your cashback amount is shown on your card. So, how do you withdraw funds? Wait until you see the funds appear under the Your Cashback account on the virtual card. This will occur after a purchase is verified by the Cashback service. You can get more information on the cashback verification terms under the Aggregators tab on the website. Next, go to the Send tab. There are many convenient withdrawal methods, including major bank cards. Withdrawals take less than 24 hours to process. As you can see, everything is clear and simple. Start making money with the MarketBot right now.